So sub item on Monday.com, I'll just jump right into this video now without wasting any seconds. So what you need to do is just to click on here, and you have more columns here, and here in the search bar you should write sub item. Okay, and you can't find sub item. Sub item. There's no sub item. Well, they actually updated this and there's no longer available to add a sub item from here, from column. Now I don't know, might be wrong, but let me actually disable this because I just forgot. So you can't go here and add sub. It used to be like this. It used to be like this. You could go here and just add a sub item, but now instead of doing that, why not just add a sub item from here? Okay, we have an item and then a sub item instead of going here. Not even if you look for here, there's no sub item, of course, because this is not even related to such things. But yeah, if you go here, instead of doing that, because there's no item, even if you write item, is no longer available, so you can't find any item, something related to item. Files checkbox, no. So yeah, that's what I would do. That's the solution, is to go here, and if you want to add a sub item, you can just go here and add a sub item from under your item. Now if that's not what you're looking for, you can also go to automation here and add automation, and all right, here you have item name, update, item moved, item, we can write a sub item created, and then you can when a sub item is created, and you can change status, create a sub item. So what you can do here is, let's say when I create, so item, I'll just write here item, right item, then I will actually create a sub item. We'll create a sub item automatically, and maybe that's something you are looking for. So yeah, you can maybe you're looking for an automation, I don't know. But let me know if you found this helpful. I'll look for more solutions. Thanks for watching.